Men, and I use the term loosely. Hey, Super Bowl Sunday bonus video going out. I'm announcing the winner of the Hardtail. The Hardtail goes to Ironhead Sally. I hadn't originally intended to give away the wheel and the hardtail at the same time. But as long as I'm here, I'm announcing the wheel is officially up for giveaway right now. So if you've already sent a name in that says you want the wheel, I'll keep those names in the pot for the next drawing, which will be sometime later. I don't know when exactly, but sometime later. So if you want the wheel is still here. I'm still going to give the wheel away. If I have your name, I'll keep it. If you haven't sent your name in yet because you thought I was just giving away the hardtail at first, you were right. But anyway, officially now, the giveaway is open for the wheel. So if you want the wheel, this wheel right here, it's up for giveaway too. Like I say, the tire still has titties on it. So, you know, it's probably 10 years old, I don't know. And it's a Metzler. But anyway, wheel up for giveaway now. So anyway, Ironhead Sally, I'll be contacting you shortly and getting your hardtail boxed up to send it on there to you. Hey, thanks for watching. Just a friendly reminder, you can help support and grow this channel, mostly and first of all by subscribing. So hit the subscribe button below if you haven't already. The other thing you can do to help this channel out is get yourself a coffee cup. New coffee cups are in stock, new design. And I like the other ones, but you know, I like these new ones better. Get yourself a coffee cup, get yourself a sticker, and I am out of here. We'll see you next time. Bye.